In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all posts on Facebook. If you're doing a cleanup or starting fresh, this walkthrough will show you the exact path to find and bulk select your posts. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand what you're seeing at each step so you don't remove anything by accident. First, go to your Facebook profile. From your profile page, open the menu by pressing the three dots. This menu gives you profile-specific tools and settings you won't find on the main feed. Next, choose Activity Log. The Activity Log is the central place where Facebook tracks what you've done on the platform: posts, comments, reactions, and more. It's the best starting point for managing or removing your content in one place. Now, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Press the small down arrow to expand it. This reveals more detailed categories, which helps you zero in on just your posts instead of browsing everything you've ever done. From there, press Posts. This filters the activity log so you're only dealing with posts, not likes, comments, or other activity. It keeps the list focused and easier to manage. Then select your posts, photos, and videos. This view shows content you created and posted yourself. Keep in mind that you can only delete items you own. For example, posts made by others on your timeline, or posts where you're tagged but not the original author, can't be permanently deleted from here. They may have separate options like removing tags or hiding from your profile. Now you'll see a list of your content with checkboxes. Here you can delete all your posts at once by checking the box that selects everything on the page. Before you proceed, take a moment to scan the list. If available, use filters like date ranges or content types to narrow down what's selected. This is especially useful if you want to keep certain milestones or albums and only remove older or unwanted content. After selecting all, you'll see options to remove the selected items. Depending on your version of Facebook, this may say delete, move to trash, or archive. Deleting is typically permanent, while trash can hold items for a limited time before they're permanently removed. If you're unsure, consider archiving first so you can restore something later. Also, note that large selections may process in batches and it can take a few moments for everything to update. That's it. Follow this path, review your selections, and you'll clear your post quickly and confidently.